Hey, it's Jerry here. Um, Starting a new hunting series. I'm currently on a piece of property in Arkansas and doing a little squirrel hunting. And we're sitting in a blind. And I've got a 22 caliber Benjamin prowler. Um, it's got a 3 by 9 by 40 scope on it. It's pretty accurate. I can about hit a dime pattern at about 75 yards, so that does pretty good. There's a lot of squirrels on this property, and there's also a lot of deer on the property. If I get a good clean shot, I might do that too. Anyway, we'll see how this goes, and so I'll show you what the property looks like. We're at in the blind. Here's the blind. And I've seen a lot of squirrel in the area right here, so I set this little blind up and camoed it. You can see what it looks like. Just a sheet of OSB screwed to the tree and cut in half, and we'll see what happens. They're smart. I shot 5 of them, a couple days ago, and now when they see me, boy, they just disappear. They don't want anything to do with guns and people at all. Now they're pretty funny, and we'll see what happens. If I get one, we'll start the video again.